Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's short and powerful video, we are going to learn how to patch a Kubernetes resources, especially a deployment using JSON file and kubectl patch. kubectl patch. In Kubernetes, there are two types of patching method: strategic merge patch and JSON patch. It is default, very useful, and partial update for partial update, and it is very precise, require exact path operations. But today we'll focus on a strategic merge patch because it's super easy to learn. Let's say I have a deployment in a little file, deployment YAML file. Now you have to make replicas to one. So it's very easy. This falls here. This replicas property fall in the spec section, and the spec section is the core section here: API, kind, metadata, and spec section. So you need to start with spec. So first you have to put, I'll make this orange so that it is visible to you, and this, okay, first a single quote, and then first curly bracket, this is in quote, second curly bracket, this is in quote, double quote, this is a numeric, you don't need to put it in bracket. If some text is there, then you have to wrap it in double quotes, close this curly bracket, close this curly bracket, and then this single quote. Now you can write kubectl patch. Now the final command what we'll get is kubectl patch, whatever the name is space you can define, or patch deployment, name of the deployment, and then -p, then single quote, start of the curly bracket. This is the main section, that is spec. Okay, then if you want to change in template, then you need to spec section, then template. Here you are changing in replicas, so it's a replicas, double quote, colon, this is the field. Now next is a replicas, replicas, replicas quote is 1, is a number, so you don't need to put it in double quote. Now the curly bracket is top, space doesn't matter here, so you can ignore it, or you can put there, also no issues. Then and will wrap it. Okay, so if you run this command, then your replicas will be set to 1. Let's have a demo session. I'm starting a killer coda session. Okay. I'm creating this deployment. I'm applying it. Get deployment. Wait till it get 2 is ready. 3 of 3 pod is ready. Get pod, 3 pods is running. Okay. Now I want to make this to 1. So this YAML file is there, or you can explain. I already shared you how this command work in one of my video. a-z, here to space print. This is very helpful command. Explain deployment. Here you find that no extra thing is there, so Control L, deployment, you find spec section, so you find replicas is here in spec section, so you find the path. Okay, now, or you can get deployment, nginx deployment -o yaml backup yml, and you can cat bc.yaml. So you'll find here, this is the spec section. Here replicas is there in the spec section. Okay, one more thing, you can find it in annotation also. You can copy this thing from here to here, and you can write command making it little, oh shit, a patch deployment apps nginx deployment -p. Then you need to write as spec colon, and then spec is already I had copied, so you can copy it from there, and now you can close bracket, and need to change to 1. I forgot it, but you should not patched. Okay, now you'll see get pod, you'll see only 1 is running. Okay, describe deployment, I'll find replicas. Great, thank you so much for your love and support. We'll soon come for the next video in continuation of that. Thanks till time.